Nahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding the scoundrel, the fugitive.
I think I think there is a bigger problem here. It's not just Senator Robin Hood Padilla is the issue here. I think the biggest issue here, and I want to focus everyone who's listening, is the parents.
Yeah.
I
Unfortunately.
feel and I think that after COVID-19, parents ay nagre-rely na lang sa teacher to give values to their kids, to discipline their kids, to communicate to their kids, to openly talk mental, social health to their kids. Isinasa santabi na lang sa mga teacher lahat ng paghuhubog ng mga values. And unfortunately, ang effect nun is having these kids thinking na alam nila lahat kumpara sa magulang nila. Kasing respeto na dapat na-form ng mga magulang sa umpisa pa lang, dapat na ibibigay na ng magulang nila kesa ng mga teachers. And don't get me wrong, wala akong problema sa profession ng teacher. Pero I think naabuso lang yung idea na trabaho ako si teacher dyan. Pero hindi kasi
Yan.
nakikita dyan is yung bonding essence. Ako, Kuya Nerve, I think you understand when I say this na nurturing years ng bata, they are linked towards good behavior and discipline and critical thinking. Unang taon, bago mag-teenage life, itong mga bata na to, kung nurture ito ng mga parents, hindi ng teacher. 'Di ba? Kasi there is a sense of, syempre nanay ko yan. You know, the respect is there pagkabata pa. Pero iba pagka teenager. Pero what I'm saying is, I think dapat tignan natin tong statement ni Senator Robin Padilla in a different way din. Hindi lang kasi si Senator Robin Padilla, isang senador, hindi. Nakita, nung tininan ko ng malaliman tong issue na to, there is a bigger issue with our parents. And I think and I hope that maybe this podcast will give light to this bigger situation. That there is not a disconnect sa sinabi ni Senator Robin Padilla, but there is a disconnect with the parents and the kids. Kasi naniniwala ko that values, ugali ng tao, ng mga bata, nanggagaling yan, nagsisimula yan sa pamilya. Wala sa social media. Yes, hindi na filter ng magulang lahat ng pinanonood nilang information, pero I still believe that the key strength ng values formation or anong kalalabasan ng anak mo sa society, manggagaling yan sa pamilya. Yung open communication, dapat magkaroon ng ganun, 'di ba? So yun lang. Again guys, maraming salamat po and I think we had a good discussion today. Sa mga nandito po, sa mga pumasyal, pumunta, nakibahagi sa ating diskusyonan, ako maraming salamat. Magre-request tayo kay Kuya Nerve. Oo, sana next time, sana magandang internet connection natin kasi masarap ang kwentuhan.
Kaya nga,
So,
men, eh.
shoutout sa lahat shoutout lang natin yung mga nandito, Anthony Lee, Mami Z, Densable, Mesyang, sino pa ba nandito? Para at least ma-shoutout na natin.